Hello again, welcome to the Mastercam course. In that lecture we're gonna talk about line endpoints and multi-line options. This is gonna be my first point, so I can hit the X button, X25, Y 10, and hit the enter button. After that I can click any place on the screen. This is the freeform approach, of course. At that point, at that point here. After that we can hit the cancel button. Okay, after that we can also turn to freeform to horizontal. I can click that points, and then we can turn to vertical point and cancel button. Okay, and that's also possible to click here and turn to freeform to hit that point, and then we can also create horizontal, hit that point, and vertical, hit that point, and then we can also turn to horizontal to hit that point, and freeform, hit that point, and then we can also keep going. And this is vertical, that's my point, and freeform, that's gonna be my point, and then cancel button. Okay, that's it. It's also possible to use multi-line options in Mastercam.